Secretary Trixie, the same individual ba? I don't know if you have full knowledge, no? Ang pinanggalingan ng pressure, pareho ba kayong victim ni former Senate President Zubiri ng pressure from Malacanang, from that of the President, or from that of the First Lady, Secretary?
Pagka politika, I don't think you can call us victims. Sorry, yung pressure.
Kanino galing yung pressure?
From me, it was the First Lady in both instances. So, and yes, that's kumbaga common knowledge na rin in the...
Okay. Merong nagma-mushroom na mga information na makasasakit sa Malacanang. One after the other, nag-create sila ng iba't ibang klaseng investigation. Before the war on drugs pala muna, yung West Philippine Sea issue,
Yes.
dahil